Hi, this is Marty from Triple Z Custom Works, and today we're going to talk about the different types of holsters that we make, pros and cons to each one, so on and so forth. Okay, so here we have two holsters. So this is a standard holster and the attachment holster. We actually have 4 of these type of holsters. So the standard, the IWB, the heavy duty, and the attachment holster. And if you want to get technical, then the heavy duty attachment holster, which this is a heavy duty holster, as you can see by the thickness of the material. So we'll start off with the standard holster, which is this. Depending on the type of Kydex that we use, if it's the thick Kydex, the 93, then it'll be the heavy duty holster. IWB holster is basically the same as this holster. It just has different clips on it on the outside, and it goes inside the waistband. And then we have the attachment holster, which we have many different attachments available: Surefires, Laser Max, and so on and so forth. Viridian, a bunch of other ones that are on our website. If we don't have it, you can send us the light and we'll make it. It just takes a little bit longer. We have to make the channels for them. The good thing about these holsters, depending on what side and what type of belt loops you put on them, is you can have the same holster perform 2 functions, outside the waistband or inside the waistband, depending on what side you put in there. Also, we have different options. You can put suede on the inside of the holster like this one has. Really, the main function of the suede, and we touch on that real quick, it is to make the holster quieter. It may prolong the finish on your pistol a little bit longer, but it's a tool and it's designed to be drawn from a holster, and friction will always win, and will always put wear and tear on your slide. And we're going to move on to the UC Stealth holster. Here we have 3 different UC Stealth holsters. This is like one of the first iterations that we've done for this type of holster. It's cut open, so that way this one's for a Glock 30, I believe, but you can use the compact and the full size or the extended version of the pistol in the same holster. This one's also cut short, the sweat guard on it, so it does create potentially pinching. As you can see, there's different mounting options on here. So this is the nylon belt clip. That one doesn't move. You can set it up so it's straight up and down with 0 cant, or whatever cant this is, about a 10 degree. You can set it up to the rear or to the front. This one you cannot tuck your shirt in behind. The other 2 you can. So this is the Ulti clip on a attachment holster. So we can make these with some of the attachments that we have available, or if we don't have it, again, you can send it to us and we'll make it for you. The Ulti clip is, in my opinion, the ultimate clip. It's a mechanical clip, so you actually have to raise this lever and then press it back down for it to work correctly. This one you can tuck your shirt in behind it, and it's low profile. Put your belt over the top of it. There are different types of Ulti clips out there now. This is an Ulti clip 3. It has 3 holes. And there's also an XL, which we're all out right now. We've got more on order, but those go over the top of the belt. The next one is the current UC Stealth holster that we're making, full sweat guard, and the slide is fully covered. So the UC Stealth holster was designed to be carried appendix. It stemmed from the CAC holster, which we were approached by the guys from Falcon Operations Group. It was Operation Don't Shoot Your CAC Off. So it was a concealed appendix carry holster, which then we've gotten with our head tester. This man can break anything and everything. So he and I sat down one day and we came up with the UC Stealth holster, which UC stands for Undercover Stealth. And the beauty about this holster, you can pretty much carry it anywhere on your body. You can carry it, on your side, appendix, carry small of the back. It's very versatile. It is inside the waistband only, but overall it's a great holster. This one has a couple extra holes. We're doing some prototyping with it, so these holes will not be there on your holster. This one has the spring steel clip. Again, it swivels and it's tuckable. You can tuck your shirt right behind it. We can add leather on the back side, on the contact side if you wish, and we can put the suede on the inside. The suede on the inside cannot be put on after the holster is made, so you have to make sure that we know ahead of time. The leather, however, we can add on at a later point. So if you have any more questions about any of these holsters, please let us know.